Now, you should understand that you can never change your circumstance if you don't have the requisite power. You can't move mountains if you don't have the power to do so. You can't dominate within the financial circle without having a certain level of power. You know that, so economic a certain level of what? Power. You can't handle marriage. It doesn't take only wisdom. Any of 2 hours for 2 or engagement. Because who are finding you now? And 2 of intimate for any I want to 7 years to 2 months.